Tell me a joke.
Here's one from the Sports Joke Network.
News for thrill seekers. What's the hardest part of skydiving? The ground.
Welcome back to another Cool Loser Tech video. These are the top 10 best apps this week. Number 364. Using the LG G6. Number 1. Pin Genie Locker. This application is all meant for your lock screen from themes, wallpapers, and pin pads. Time, we got the weather. You also got your camera here, you lift up, and you have a little dock down here. You got your Wi-Fi, your toggle, favorite application that you can jump to. There's my Twitter that I got a message. I can go to open, I can go to dismiss, nice animation, swipe to right. Now you won't get my passcode here. Oops, I messed up. Disabled, and you're gonna notice something. And now I'm gonna do the code again, and I am unlocked. Now this picture right here was taken after 3 attempts that was messed up. It'll take a picture from its camera and it'll catch the crook. And the pin is 5503. When you have this one enabled, it's gonna be so hard for people to figure out your pin. Obviously there's 5 there, 5 again, and there's 1 and 4, but we're gonna do 0, and we're gonna do the 3, and it unlocks it. So if I were to do that really fast, go 5503, people are not gonna know what are the ones that I clicked because it changes up every time. Number 2. Energy bar. If you're wondering why I have a little blue line above my status bar, that is my battery percentage. So you have the option to thicken it, so depending on what you want. And you could also go to the status bar, so the full status bar is the battery length. Just to add a little spice or quick glances instead of having to see or guess how much you have on the little battery. Auto hide on full screen application so it doesn't show up. And then you can change the color. Now I can click on that and you'll see it turns into gradient look. Now you can see that it's pink up there. Clicking on that, green. New color, and they will also give you a little animation when you plug in to charge. You can see a little bounce. So that's just one animation out of several. I think you guys are gonna like it. Number 3. Meteor. I don't know if you're like me, but I like testing my speeds different days at my house and even at friends' house or different locations that I go to just to see how my network is. It also will tell you what applications can run with the speeds that you have. But you can see down here there's a list of what applications can run with your speeds. Then you got this little guy here that you can move around, that you can tap and he will help you. Red is very good. Yellow means I can play all the way to 1080p with no problem. Going over, you can see the results there. Tick off Wi-Fi. Now I'm on T-Mobile. Let's do the test again and see what we get. But good downloads. Click on YouTube. Here you'll be able to see that the results switch from Wi-Fi, which means 1080p won't stream as fast. It's very accurate. And then the history of what I get out of it. Number 4, Google commands. I'm not sure if you know this, but with Google Now on Android phones, you can give it commands, ask it questions, but a lot of people don't know what you can ask it. Everything in the gray is what you can replace the word with. So this is the Google Home. I made a review on this and I love it. I have it always here next, plugged into my desk, and I can tell it commands like this. Repeat after me.
Don't forget to like this video.
It's actually a little bit more useful on your phone since it can text things, open things up, turn things on and off. Now the screen's off. Google, turn on flashlight.
Turning on flashlight.
Okay, turn off flashlight.
Turning off flashlight.
So I do not even have to open the phone or navigate through the settings to have that work. So you have around 300 commands right now. There's probably a lot more that this app doesn't have, or more coming, of course. But definitely try it out on your phone. You're gonna have lots of fun with the commands of Google Now. Number 5, PowerDirector. Those of you guys who don't have computers but want to edit and make videos definitely found that PowerDirector is the one to go. Go ahead and record some videos right now and they will import it, or go to your camera, 4K video. Now look at this, I'm dragging over the timeline. It was a nice day. You can see I'm on the phone recording it, scrubbing right through it. Very smooth still. And if we tap on it, we're gonna get the cut tool, so I can cut that piece out, drag this over here, and let's cut that piece. So now I got this one piece here that I can literally move around or delete. And if you don't want to use your hand and your fingers, you have a mouse, use an OTG cable, plug that in. So now I can just grab here and just drag through, click on that spot we want to cut. Then we're going to do another cut there. And then we're going to add different animations. You can scroll through, add to it, and it drops right onto it. And by the time it gets to that section, kind of moves over. You could of course add your own music to the background, add more clips, click on that, add that to the timeline. Then you got more titles here. Like, this is a complete video editor. But once you guys are ready, you can click on this and save the project or produce the video, and then you'll be able to literally upload it to YouTube, share on Facebook, whatever you want to do. It's an awesome application. PowerDirector is the application to edit on your phone. Go try it out for yourself. Number 6, do it yourself. Again, this falls into my category. If you're anything like me, you like to do your own projects, this will show you step by step on how to do those things yourself rather than hiring people to do it or buying the products that you have to buy expensive. You can build them yourselves, and every step has the video, so you don't have to just read and be like, oh, what does he mean? You can see it visually if you're a visual learner, and you can watch the videos.
If your new box includes a template.
Nice instructions and loud and clear. Tells you the difficulty, how much time it's going to take, and how much it's going to cost. If you go into the shop, all of the list is right here of all the tools you need, so you don't need to scavenge for it. When you sign up, you're going to be able to do video chats with people that can help you live. Number 7, weather scope. If you've heard of Periscope, this is for weather scoping. You're going to be able to watch live weather castings, behind the scenes.
Yep. Look at, here's JR Stone.
But the quality behind this video is so clear, it can stream up to 4K for people using those cameras.
Running the show.
I even commented, actual anchor guy recording the video responded to me. We had a quick little conversation, and then out of nowhere, the art director said, oh my god, so awesome, thanks Cool Loser. Obviously, we have other people's postings, and you can do your own live. People are going to be able to see what I'm recording, and obviously you want to do weather stuff. That's what the whole point of this is, if you like knowing what your day is going to be like. Number 8, Brainly. Brainly has millions of users. I'm not sure why I didn't review this before, but this application, you ask it questions or answer questions for people who need help with school. I asked the question, which right here says, how fast do people reply on here? Within 30 seconds, I got somebody to reply, but in this little tab, it's gonna tell you everything everyone's asking for. People will be able to answer, look at how many people are liking and commenting, and you can literally have a lot of help with your homework, things that you can't find online. People can help you do it here live on this application. So Brainly is kind of important, it's useful, it's genius. Definitely go help those out, help yourself. Number 9, Nice. We're gonna pick our tech, gaming, mobile PC, and hobbies. Now this application is for early access. They sometimes have different applications, different networks that you can join in and watch other than YouTube. You're definitely gonna see YouTubers on this application. Hardware Canucks, Linus is on here, Dope Inventions, Jonathan Morrison. Look at these guys are making videos away from YouTube, still raking in lots of money. So whatever you think they're making on YouTube, they're making so much more. I need to get onto this, although I'm not even close to the quality or subscribers that they have. Post unlisted videos on here for early access. So it's literally the unlisted links of their YouTube videos that aren't live on YouTube yet. You can see all these familiar faces. Mobile and PC, men's style, unique finds, beauty and fashion, hobbies. Basically, you're gonna be able to find yourself some new YouTubers to follow. Number 10, Giganticon. If you've been wondering why I have such a huge Google Play basket here, that's because this application, Giganticon, allows you to do really big icons like this. They're actually widgets though, but you can see the normal sizes. Clicking onto it goes right into your Google Play, because literally it really is going to where it's supposed to. You don't need to configure anything. It's just going right to where they're at. So to lay it out, all you gotta do is hit on an empty spot, go to your widgets. You wanna select Giganticon, hold on to it. Let's put on a new page here. Drop it, and then pick what you want to put on there. Let's put the game there, Steppy Pants, and we can resize it to be as big as that. Let's see, well, it can't take all the space, but there we go. Clicking onto it, you can go on and playing a game here. But you do have to upgrade if you want to do more than 2, and I have not upgraded. So you're probably thinking, how do I have so many if I haven't upgraded? Well, I'm sorry, developer. Go into your apps and go into your application here and click on storage and clear the data. Press OK, go back, go over, go to widgets, set down, bring it down, and we could set another one right there. I found it out by accident, but I can literally do this infinite amount of times and still not have to pay. I'm sorry, developer, but I do recommend supporting the developer since it's making Android that much better. Obviously, if you want more developers to come to Android, we can't keep stealing people's apps. But there you guys have it. These are the top 10 best games this week on the LG G6. Love the phone, is definitely great. Alrighty, that's it for me. I'm on the LG G6. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Later.